Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Glasses Repair Kit is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for anyone who wears eyeglasses or sunglasses, offering a quick and convenient solution to those frustrating moments when a tiny screw comes loose or a hinge starts to wobble, potentially saving you a trip to the optician and keeping your favorite eyewear in perfect condition. Number 5. Magnetic Eyeglass Repairing Kit. Introducing a comprehensive kit designed to keep your eyewear in perfect condition. It includes everything you need, from various screwdrivers to an assortment of screws and comfortable nose pads, ensuring you can make repairs anywhere, anytime. Experience effortless repairs with our set of precision magnetic screwdrivers. They are perfectly sized for tiny screws, making intricate adjustments and replacements a breeze. This versatile tool isn't just for glasses, it's a 3-in-1 keychain screwdriver with Phillips and flathead bits, plus a nut holder. Attach it to your keys for quick fixes on the go. Find the perfect fit with our selection of nose pads in multiple sizes. You can easily replace old or uncomfortable ones to ensure maximum comfort for your eyeglasses or sunglasses. Never worry about missing screws again. This kit provides 16 different sizes of tiny screws, along with a curved tweezer for easy handling, all neatly organized in a convenient screw box. Beyond eyeglasses and sunglasses, this repair kit is ideal for watches, clocks, and other small electronics that require precision work. It's a must-have for any household toolkit. What we like? This kit offers an incredibly comprehensive solution for all your eyeglass repair needs. It includes a wide variety of screwdrivers, numerous nose pad sizes, and even a handy keychain screwdriver. If you're someone who frequently needs to make adjustments or repairs and wants a single kit to cover every possibility, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit includes a variety of sizes for different screws, making it versatile for various types of glasses. The screwdrivers are well made and feel sturdy in hand, allowing for precise adjustments. Comes with a convenient carrying case to keep all the tools organized and portable. Number 4. Magnetic Eyeglass Repair Kit. Introducing a comprehensive kit designed to fix all your eyewear needs. It includes everything from specialized screwdrivers to various screws and replacement nose pads. Tired of tiny, fiddly screws? Ours are magnetic and rust-resistant, making repairs on your glasses, watches, and more incredibly easy. The included tweezers help you handle them with precision. This isn't just for glasses. The mini screwdrivers are perfect for a variety of tasks, from repairing watches and mobile phones to small electronic devices. Always be prepared with the included keychain screwdriver. It features both Phillips and flat tips, making it a professional tool for eyewear repairs that you can take anywhere. Before you buy, please check the measurements of each component. This ensures that the pieces in your repair kit will perfectly match your eyeglasses for a seamless fix. What we like? The standout feature here is the magnetic and rust-resistant screws, making those tiny repairs significantly less frustrating. If you often find yourself fumbling with small screws or are concerned about corrosion over time, this kit offers a practical and durable solution for your eyeglasses and watches. What people say. The kit is very handy and includes a good variety of small screwdrivers. I was able to easily tighten the screws on my eyeglasses with this kit. The precision of the screwdrivers is excellent for delicate repairs. Number 3. 6-piece Small Screwdriver Set. This set includes 6 different sizes, 2 Phillips and 4 flathead, perfect for all your daily repair needs. It's ideal for fixing watches, jewelry, and eyeglasses. Keep your tools organized and easily accessible with the included plastic storage boxes. They are convenient to have around the house for quick fixes. Experience comfortable handling with the ergonomic grip design. The spinning end caps allow for increased speed and efficiency during use. Built to last, these tools feature hardened and tempered rust-proof steel blades. The black oxide shafts are designed for long-lasting performance and durability. These mini screwdrivers are specially designed for intricate tasks. They work perfectly for eyeglass adjustments, watch maintenance, and jewelry repairs that require small precision screws. What we like? This set provides a focused collection of essential precision screwdrivers in a convenient package. If you're looking for a straightforward, durable set for common repairs like watches, jewelry, and glasses, and appreciate a comfortable grip for efficiency, this is an excellent choice for your toolkit. What people say. The kit includes a variety of small screwdrivers that fit eyeglass screws perfectly. The magnetic tips on the screwdrivers make it easy to pick up and hold tiny screws. Comes with replacement nose pads and screws, which is a great value. Number 2. HOTO 24-in-1 Mini Screwdriver Set. Introducing the HOTO 24-in-1 Mini Screwdriver Set, your ultimate sidekick for daily tasks and travel adventures. This compact toolkit is designed to handle all your repair needs with ease. Effortlessly assemble and disassemble tiny screws on a wide range of electronics. It's perfect for watches, phones, laptops, cameras, and even eyeglasses and toys. Crafted from high-grade aluminum alloy with a sleek metal exterior, this set is as stylish as it is durable. The S2 alloy steel bits offer exceptional hardness for long-lasting performance. Never lose a bit again. All 12 double-ended bits are cleverly stored within the handle. They securely click into the magnetic slot, making bit changes quick and easy. Experience effortless one-handed operation with its anti-slip, polyhedral grip. The whisper quiet bearings ensure smooth turns for comfortable and efficient use. This all-in-one multi-tool comes with a comprehensive set of 24 bits. From Phillips and flat blades to Torx and hex, it's equipped to tackle virtually any repair job you encounter. What we like? This is the ultimate multi-tool for anyone who deals with a wide array of small electronics and gadgets. With 24 different bits cleverly stored and easily accessible, it's perfect for tech enthusiasts or DIYers who need a compact yet powerful solution for everything from eyeglasses to laptops and cameras. What people say. The kit includes a variety of sizes for different screws, making it versatile for various types of glasses. The screwdrivers are well made and feel sturdy in hand, allowing for precise adjustments. It comes with a convenient case to keep all the pieces organized and easily accessible. Number 1. Apex Glasses Repair Kit. Are your glasses missing a small screw? This kit provides everything you need to replace them quickly and easily, ensuring your vision remains clear. Fixing your glasses has never been simpler. With the included screwdriver, magnifying glass, and screw guide, you can achieve a secure fit in no time. This is a truly universal repair solution. It's designed to work perfectly with your reading glasses, sunglasses, safety glasses, and many other styles. Don't let a loose screw stop you from wearing your favorite eyewear. This kit includes replacement screws to get your glasses back in perfect condition. Ensure your glasses are always ready to go. This essential repair kit helps you maintain your eyewear so you can keep your vision sharp and uninterrupted. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for common eyeglass repairs. It includes a screwdriver, screws, a magnifying glass, and a convenient storage pouch. What we like? If you struggle with seeing tiny screws or aligning them correctly, this kit's inclusion of a magnifying glass and screw guide is a game changer. It's designed to make the repair process significantly easier and faster, making it ideal for anyone who needs a little extra help to keep their vision clear with well-maintained glasses. What people say. The kit includes a variety of small screwdrivers suitable for eyeglass repair. The tiny screwdrivers are perfect for adjusting screws on glasses. Comes with replacement nose pads and screws, making it a comprehensive kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.